Louisiana who goes by China.
Really?
Yes.
That is so old. Hey, y'all. I have Lorena here.
Hey, boo. We turning up.
Yes, we are in Cancun.
Yes, always.
So I wanted to come over here and talk to Lorena and just ask her, like, the first time that you came to Cancun. Now, let me give you guys a little bit of history about just being here within a few hours. So we met this beautiful lady and her husband, and we seen them with like this big drink, and we were like, we were ready for a drink, and we were just checking into our resort. So then we started talking to them, and they had been here before. So I was like, okay, well, let's find out. We got somebody that's familiar, because, you know, it's our first time being here. So we have Lorena here, and I wanted to know, Lorena, when was your first time coming, and what brought you here the first time?
Okay, so my name is Lorena. I'm from Los Angeles, California, and we are turning up Riviera Maya in Cancun. And this is our second time here. The first time that we came here, we actually brought my mom. She was turning 60, and she never been out of the country, and neither had my dad. So we brought her from out of the country. We actually went to Tulum too. So if you haven't been to Tulum, the beach is amazing. You will never find another experience like that.
Okay.
We went to the Mayan ruins. Shout out to Missy Hustle. You have to go to the Mayan ruins if you have not been. We went to the Mayan ruins. We brought my mom here, and we pretty much made a whole event out of it. We swam, we ate, we had cocktails, and the service was pretty good. It was pretty A1 actually. So we actually came back this year because we had such a great time last year.
Really? Okay. So what all excursions did you guys get a chance to experience?
So we did Chichen Itza.
Okay.
We did the Mayan ruins. We did the beach in Tulum. We went to Playa del Carmen. So the thing with just the Caribbean and Mexico right now, there's been like a lot of storms and a lot of hurricanes, so the beaches are not really swimmable. So you can't really swim at the beaches because the seaweeds have washed up on the shore. So even right here, you can see the beach from here, but you can't
let's
swim
turn around
it.
so they can see a little bit.
You can't swim it because there's a lot of seaweeds there because of just the weather and everything. So when we come to Cancun, because this is our second time here, but it's not our second time in Cancun, we usually go and we stay beachfront where we can like leave our hotel and go right to the beach.
Okay.
But because of the seasons and the weather and everything, it doesn't allow us to just leave our hotel and go right to the beach. So we use the pools. And so that's what we've been doing.
Okay. Well,
so it's nice.
That sounds
nice.
good. That sounds good. So when you guys book your trip, are you booking the trip yourself? Are you doing it? Your husband's doing it, or someone else, a travel agent's doing it for you?
Okay, so usually I do it because I'm always online. I'm always looking for a deal. I'm always looking to see what's going on. So usually I book it, which is so funny because somebody just messaged me. They DM'd me on Instagram today and was like, oh, do you guys have a travel agent? And they were just like, you travel a lot. Do you have a travel agent? Yes, we do. We do travel a lot.
You travel a lot.
They're like,
okay.
oh, do you have a travel agent? And I was like, no. But we travel so much, I'm always looking for stuff. So we found this, and it was a pretty good deal. And we had been here before, and to be honest, they built on this since last year. We've been here.
Really?
So the whole Tulum experience that's here today, I don't know if y'all went earlier. Like
we went to the salon. Yes.
It wasn't here last year when we came. It's new. So and then they're talking about, we're going to build a water park. We're going to do something across the street. We're going to do something here, there. So we're just like, every time we come, it's just like a different experience.
Okay. And I see your nails look at our nails. How do we do this? Y'all see that color? Oh my goodness.
This one platinum.
That is beautiful. Well, that is awesome. So I'm glad I got a chance to meet you and sit down and talk with you.
Yes, and I hope you guys, I got a massage in a private cabana on the beach. So I hope you guys can do a massage and, just get some catering, get them like, you tense up in here, release some stress and all that stuff. And it's been nice. It really has.
I'm telling you, you come to Cancun and you'll be able to just run into people that have experienced it all and don't mind sharing it with you. They was on it, just told us everything. Okay, this is what you do.
You gotta go here, you gotta go there. Okay, don't pay them prices over there. That's where you go. You go to the store right here. That's where my husband is at the store right now. I'm single right now because my husband at the store. He is, working it out. That's what we do. We work it out. We can go on vacation.
We did. We went to Jay's Boutique. Is that what he just went to?
Okay,
that's what we went.
You guys get?
We got a bottle of some. Oh, it's right. I poured some in this glass right here. There's some rum.
Okay, I got some rum. You drinking straight?
It's straight.
You is
no
a
chase.
Woo!
Look, I was walking in here just a little bit ago, right? So this guy had stopped my business partner over there, and he was like, she's causing me a lot of problems, talking about his wife. So I walked up, I said, that's because she need a little bit of this. I said, go ahead, take some. And she took a sip. She was like, what is this? I said, it's rum. She said, you have nothing mixed with it. I said, no, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Straight up. Straight talk, no chasers. All a bag.
That's it. That's it. All right,
All
guys.
right,
Well, we
signing
wanted to tune in and just come in and say hi to you guys and let you know all about Cancun and our amazing trip. This is just the first day for us, so we'll be back with a lot more. So stay tuned. Later.